Abhorrent to.
ঘৃণ্য.
Corruption is abhorrent to the honest. Abound in.
প্রচুর পরিমাণে থাকা.
𝑵𝒆𝒗𝒆𝒍 abounds in the Padma. Abound with.
প্রচুর পরিমাণে থাকা.
The Padma abounds with 𝒆𝒗𝒆𝒍. Absent from.
অনুপস্থিত.
He was absent from the meeting. Abstain from.
বিরত থাকা.
Always try to abstain from evil company. Acceptable to.
গ্রহণযোগ্য.
His offer is acceptable to me. Access to.
প্রবেশ অধিকার.
I have no access to his room. Account for.
জবাবদিহি করা.
I have to account for this work. Accused of.
অভিযুক্ত.
The man was accused of murder. Adapt to.
খাপ খাওয়ানো.
Try to adapt to this situation. Adhere to.
লেগে থাকা.
One should adhere to one's principle. Adjacent to.
সংযুক্ত.
Our house is adjacent to river. Afraid of.
ভয়ে ভীত.
My daughter gets afraid of the cockroach. Agreed to.
প্রস্তাবে সম্মত হওয়া.
I agree to your proposal. Agree with.
কারো সাথে সম্মত হওয়া.
I agree with him. Akin to.
সমজাতীয়.
His assignment is akin to mine. Alive to.
সজাগ.
We should be alive to our problem. Allergic to.
ভীষণ অপছন্দনীয়.
A lot of people are allergic to smoking. Anxious about.
উদ্বিগ্ন.
I am anxious about my examination. Apology for.
ক্ষমা চাওয়া.
You must ask apology to him for your rudeness. Appetite for.
ক্ষুধা.
My brother has no appetite for food. Appointed to.
নিযুক্ত.
He appointed me to this post. Argue over.
তর্ক করা.
The children were arguing over which TV program to watch. Arrive at.
পৌঁছানো.
The leader arrived at a decision at last. Ashamed of.
লজ্জিত.
I am ashamed of his conduct. Ask about.
চাওয়া.
He asked about you. At the bottom.
নিচে.
Do the exercise at the bottom of page. At the side of.
দর্শনে.
I was horrified at the sight of accident. At the weekend.
ছুটির দিনে.
I will go home at the weekend. Aware of.
সতর্ক.
I am aware of my problem. Bad at.
অদক্ষ
I am bad at mathematics. Below poverty line.
সীমার নিচে বাস করা
We live below poverty line. Bent on.
সংকল্পবদ্ধ
I am bent on to do this. Blind of.
অন্ধ
The boy is blind of one eye. Boast of.
গর্ব করা
Do not boast of like him. Business with.
ব্যবসা করা
I am pleased to business with you. By heart.
মুখস্থ করা
He learnt the poem by heart. Care for.
যত্নবান হওয়া
He does no care for me. Cause for.
কারণ
I have no cause for anxiety. Change into.
পরিবর্তিত হওয়া
The magician changed the frog into ball. Charge with.
অভিযুক্ত করা
He was charged with theft. Combination of.
সমন্বয়
Water is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Compatible with.
সামঞ্জস্যপূর্ণ
Drive the car at a speed compatible with safety. Compensate for.
ক্ষতিপূরণ দেওয়া
He will compensate you for the loss. Complain to.
কারো কাছে নালিশ করা
Do not complain to my mother. Concern for.
উদ্বিগ্ন
Student are concerned for their result. Conducive to.
উপকারে
Early rising is conducive to health. Confidence in.
আত্মবিশ্বাস
She has full confidence in her ability. Congratulate on.
অভিনন্দন জানানো
I congratulated him on his success. Consist in.
নিহিত
True happiness consists in contentment. Consist of.
গঠিত
The school consists of 5 classrooms. Contemporary of.
সমসাময়িক
He was contemporary of my elder brother. Contribution to.
অবদান
He has a big contribution to his locality. Control over.
নিয়ন্ত্রণ
He has no control over himself. Cope with.
পেরে ওঠা
She cannot cope with so much work. Deal in.
ব্যবসা
He deals in rice. Deal with.
আচরণ করা
He does not deal with his parents politely. Debar from.
বিরত থাকা
He was debarred from voting. Depend on.
নির্ভর করা
We should not depend on others. Derive from.
উচ্চারিত হওয়া
The income derived from the ownership of land is called rent. Desire for.
অভিলাষ
I have no desire for riches. Desist from.
বিরত থাকা
He desist from doing this. Detrimental to.
ক্ষতিকর
Smoking is detrimental to health. Divide between.
দুইয়ের মধ্যে ভাগ করা
We divided the money between the two children. Die by.
কোনো কিছুর দ্বারা মরা
He died by poison. Die for.
দেশের জন্য মরা
He died for his country. Die from.
ক্ষুধায় মরা
The man died from hunger. Die of.
রোগে মরা
The orphan boy died of cholera. Differ from.
ভিন্ন হওয়া
Your coat differ from mine. Differ with.
মতের মিল না হওয়া
I differ with you from this matter.